Hello viewers, and welcome to another episode of Marjana's Kitchen, where today we'll be showing you how to make Nunor Bora. 4 cups of ground rice flour, 3 cups of fine sifted rice flour, 1 cup of semolina, 3 tablespoons of ginger, and 3 teaspoons of turmeric. Add salt to taste. Add 9 cups of water to the pan and bring it to the boil. Then start to add the crushed onion, ginger, turmeric and salt. Cover the pot for 7 minutes and let it cook for a while. Okay, it's been 7 minutes now. Time to start adding the dry ingredients. Add the ground rice flour, the fine rice flour and the semolina and mix it well. Place a piece of foil around the pot and leave to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. The consistency should be like Play-Doh, but a little bit more grainy, soft and doughy. Knead the dough onto a clean work surface, kneading very well. This is such a workout, but it will be worth it at the end when you taste these golden little yellow snacks. Sprinkle a little rice flour or plain flour over the dough mixture and begin rolling out. Start to cut shapes into your dough mixture. I wanted gingerbread men, but the wife wanted flowers. She wins. Heat some oil in a frying pan, and as soon as the oil heats up, carefully start frying the Nunor Bora. There's no specific time in how long you should fry your Nunor Bora, but for our Nunor Bora it takes about 2 to 3 minutes depending on thickness. Thank you so much for watching Marjana's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed this episode. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.